Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. Greatly appreciate you spending some time with me. I have my Macy's box. This literally just came in the mail. So I was just finishing up some filming. I wasn't going to film anything else, and I was like, well, I might as well film this one too. Hence the same sweater, which is a Stitch Fix Keep. Not bad. So we have the Macy's Beauty Box Picks to Slay the Party Circuit. I have $10 off my next $40 beauty purchase. Oh, there's all this good stuff. Okay, so first off, we have a cute little tiny bag right here. I mean, it's tiny, but you can see the bottom size. Nice little, like, velourish type cute little bag. That would be good just to maybe put, like, lipsticks in or small items in. It says they had to substitute something, which I have no idea what, because you don't get a list of what's in your, wow. So I have a tiny little, YSL serum foil packet. I don't like these, but that's okay. Then here we have from Giorgio Armani, Crema Nera. And what are you? I'm not sure what you are. Let me look at the box. Sometimes it's a concentrate of some sort. What kind of concentrate are you? I have no idea. This is what it looks like. Looks odd. Okay, so that's got to be a perfume, right? Or is that a serum? I have no idea. It's got a little pump, so let's see what it is. It's concentrated, so it's these little ones are so hard to pump sometimes. Let's see. So it comes out green. That's a pretty floral scent. It's a nice little serum of some sort. Definitely strange, but you could see. I don't know what's in there, but interesting. Very interesting right there. Doesn't smell bad on. I mean, it's decently goes in fairly decent. From Anastasia, we have a lip gloss. And I have Amber Sparkle. Nice. Oh, that's really pretty right there. Oh, now my hands are... Oh, I can't get the top off. Because my hands are greasy now from that. Okay, there we go. Got it. Nice little sparkle. Let's put it over here. Oh, that's really pretty. The end there for the holiday. Nice little sparkle lip gloss. I would probably wear that on its own. Nice. Love Anastasia. From Lancome, we have a mascara right here. Lancome mascara, a little sample. And 17 times more volume. Okay. I love the sample sizes right here. Nice. And then we have a little Laura Geller palette, made to multitask. Eye, lip, cheek palette. Think pink. Looks like there's 3 shades. You all know I love Laura Geller. Open this. Right here, the component. Oh, that's really pretty. So let me see if I can get this off. Looks like it's adhered. Okay, so right there. It could be lip or cheek highlight. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's not bad. I mean, I could do without this. So... I love the lip gloss from ABH. Do you see that? That is so pretty. I could put that on top of my Tom Ford and really gloss it up. Not bad. Not bad at all, Macy's. And I like that I have $10 off my next $40 beauty purchase. I do use them. Not all the time, but I do use them. I shop a lot at Macy's. So, let me know your thoughts. What did you think? I don't know what the oops switch in the, like if this was the switcheroo. I have no idea. This was an add-on, or were we supposed to get this? This is kind of cute. This would be great to throw in your handbag just to keep little things, like if you had vitamins or medicines, throw your lipstick in, and it's not going to take up a lot of space in your handbag, and it's cute. Really is adorable. Feels nice and soft. I might actually put that in my handbag. I have one in there now, but I have a bigger handbag, so I'm not unhappy with it. I think we got some great brands. Lancome, Anastasia, Laura Geller. We have a Giorgio Armani product, a YSL serum to try out, which you could probably 1 or 2 uses maybe, if that. Let me know your thoughts. I don't know. I think not bad just because of the brands. But I'll wait to hear from all of you. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy your day. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.